Hi, this is Tips and Tricks. I'm Nina from Nina in the Kitchen. I was just about to make potato bread, and I think I'll link this to that recipe, so it's a great one if you want to check that out. But today's tip is about how to properly cook root vegetables. You know, you think about it, these are all dense vegetables. So what happens is, if you drop them into boiling water, what happens is the outside cooks and all of the starches just sort of start to fall off. In the meantime, the middle of your vegetable is still raw. So if you start with cold water, everything will heat up at the same time. You get a more even cook. And if you cut things in the same size, you get an even cook that way. If you'll notice, these are not diced because you can't get a good dice on a potato just because of the shape. So what you want to do is cut them in slices. I've chosen like 1 centimeter, ½ an inch thick, and I just find that this cooks very evenly. This will take about probably under 15 minutes to become fork tender. So check out that bread, it's really good, and I'll see you around. Bye guys.